Alright, welcome to the jointer. Okay, the jointer is used for straightening off edges, cleaning up some rough, coarse surfaces like this, but generally we use the machine for the edge of the machine. Okay, we're going to be putting a board into this machine here in a moment. Okay, that board has wood grains on it. Okay, notice these grains slant. If you look real hard, you'll see these lines in here. Alright, you generally want the lines to slant away from the teeth. If they slant in, they'll kind of dig in and give you a rough finish. Sometimes you can't avoid that, but you do your best if possible. So I'm going to be feeding this one in. This one happens to have pretty straight grain with a little bit angling down there, so I think I would turn it back this way so it's slanting away from these teeth. Okay, here's the blade that's going to be spinning. Here's one, there's two, three blades. They're all spinning at high speed. When we slide our board from this in-feed table this direction, it'll just barely hit that tooth right there, slicing off the edge, and it'll slide through onto the outfeed table. That outfeed table is just slightly higher, about a 32nd of an inch higher than the infeed is. Okay, that's what enables us to take a little bit off on each pass. Right there. Okay, the reason we would do any of this, okay, let's say you wanted to make a cutting board. You wanted to glue some boards up so you get a nice tight connection. Here's a cutting board like this. In order to get these boards to glue together, you got to get rid of that rough edge. And you can see right here that's not a very good connection, so we're going to clean these up together here today. Alright, so I'm going to put that rough edge, I'm going to face that. These come together really nicely now, nice and tight. Alright, some other details. Notice that we have some grip tape on the floor here. These 4 strips. It's glued, or it's sticking down to the floor. It's got adhesive on it. Alright, when you use the machine, okay, it'd be real easy for somebody that's new to this to kind of push and lean over the machine like this. What I'd rather see you do is sidestep as you walk through with the board. Okay, so you've lost the traction. So please use that. Alright, and that is our jointer.